like them. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome. I'm really glad to have you. And feel free to like, subscribe, do all that stuff. It means so much to me. But anyway, this is my Eyescream Beauty box. And this is the last one I will be getting because I canceled it to go with, I don't remember what I went with, but I canceled it because you can only have so many palettes and then it's overwhelming, quite honestly. This is March's box, so this is a while ago, but there is still value here. And this is a good box, don't get me wrong. And it's $25 a month, and that includes shipping. And you get 5 to 7 items, and you're guaranteed a palette. And also, they have a bag, and the bag is $12.50. Plus, I think it's like $3 for shipping, so it comes right around 15 bucks. It's about the same price as an Ipsy Glam. So, but I just thought we would just go over this quickly because, you know, where I've been in the hospital, I haven't been able to get this stuff done. And for some reason, I always get my ice cream box later than everybody else. I used to get it before everybody else. Now I get it later, so just be aware of that. And this is Charmacy. If I'm reading on here, sometimes it's easier to read on here. Because see, that's what they do to you. How are you supposed to read that? I have my glasses on, I can't read it. There's not one thing on here by Charmacy. We're going to come back to it and see what happens. And I usually try to do the palette last, so we'll do this one. This is Zeesea. And it's Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. And it's valued at... I found out what that is. I just now found it. This is valued at $20. So this pretty much pays for your box. There we go. Come on. Can't get it out. Damn. Hello. Try opening the other end and shoving it through. Not happening. Can't get it out of the box. Jeez. I got that in there tighter than Fort Knox. There we go. Now we got it. Ooh, that one's pretty. I've gotten theirs that's silver, and I did like it. This is gold. Actually, I've gotten a couple of theirs was kind of a different color as silver. Look at that. That's pretty. That is pretty. Yeah, that is pretty. It's pretty. And it was worth $20. Okay, now I finally found this. This is dual-ended Duochrome gloss lipstick by Charmacy, and it's worth $15. I believe Charmacy is one of their brands. I'm not sure, which we do get a lot, so I kind of think it is, but I'm not sure. I could be wrong. Oh, this is pretty. And it's dual-ended. So you have, and it's got that kind of doe foot, where it's slanted. Okay. And we'll do the other end by itself, and then I'll let that dry and put it over top of it and see what it looks like. This is really pretty color. If it goes that way. Kind of does. Now I'll wait for this to dry. And that makes that really sparkly. Pretty. Pretty. Go Charmacy, that's pretty. Look how pretty that is in there though. It just sparkles. Drop my card. Okay, then we got this. And we do tend to get a lot of loose pigments in them. A lot of times I put them up for resin. I don't use them for that. I'm not making that mess all over my house. But this is Duochrome Loose Pigment by Beauty Moon Cosmetics. And it's a $10 value. And these are very messy. That's what she looks like. I'm trying to just put it on in the spot without making too big a mess. Okay. Put this back on there. And it shifts from green to like a pink color. So you can see the shift. I don't know if I've gotten it yet or not, but I'm trying. I think I got it there. So that's that. Get that off my hands. Then we have, what is the next thing? Artistic Palette by Base Blue Cosmetics, and it's valued at $53. That's what I thought. And then I get and this is Base Blue, the Artistic Palette. Now I saw this in a preview, and I'll be honest with you, I would be afraid to use it. Because, I will show you why. Oops. How pretty is that? And that's the colors all through there. But how pretty is that? It's a girl with the pearl earring. Wouldn't you be afraid to use that? Because when it's gone, it's gone. Once you screw it up, it's done. It's very artistic, and it's very, very pretty. But I don't know how I'd feel about using it. Okay, then lastly, we have Stained Glass Palette by Klarity Cosmetics, and it's valued at $30. And this is what it looks like in the sleeve. And this is what it looks like without the sleeve. Yep. Yep. See if I can save it. Can you tell which one I had to save? You gotta be real careful with these really high glitter ones, because they will break easily. I think I saved it, but I don't know. But we're going to try a few of these, since it's going to be my last one. I have a towel down here that I'm using. Yeah, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work, guys. There you go. That's all of the colors. And that's my ice cream box. Look for that plastic whenever that's, so I wouldn't ruin it. But that's my ice cream box for March, and that will be my last ice cream box, because I'll be honest with you, they're just piling up, and I wanted to try some other things, so I'm just doing that. And also, the kids love to come in here and play with them, and Jay will say they're cleaning them up. So anyway, that's my ice cream box. Come on back, like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. You know it. You know the deal. You know the drill. Come on back.